If you're looking for the best white nail polishes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Essie Glossy Shine Nail Polish. Essie Glossy Shine Nail Polish in the shade Blanc is a cloudy, sheer polish. It gives flawless coverage with a glossy finish and outstanding durability. Its easy glide brush fits every nail size for streak-free application. This lovely nail color is sugary, soft, and sweet. Apply 2 to 3 coats if you want an opaque finish. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Polish. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Polish is a chip-resistant gel nail polish. It is formulated with a 2-step gel hybrid system that lasts long and does not require a UV lamp. This easy-to-put on and take off gel polish in the shade Get Mud offers a salon-polished look to your nails. The number 3 position is held by Smith & Cult Metallics Nail Polish. Smith & Cult Metallics Nail Polish in the shade Sugarette is a white nail polish that has a brilliant metallic shine. This ultra-adherent nail paint maximizes the lifespan of a manicure and gives your nails flawless coverage and a brilliant shine. It is made with an 8-free formula: no camphor, dibutyl phthalate, ethyl tosylamide, formaldehyde resin, toluene, triethyl phosphate, and xylene, and is vegan and cruelty-free. Next, at number 4, we have Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Polish. Sally Hansen Color Therapy Nail Polish is a fade-proof nail polish. It is infused with argan oil that restores the health of your nails and keeps them moisturized and nourished. This chip-resistant nail color in the shade Well delivers long-lasting white color with a glossy finish. It has a thick brush that makes application easy. You can use this nail polish as a top coat for a shiny and high-gloss finish. The number 5 position is held by OneDor One-Step Gel Nail Polish. OneDor One-Step Gel Nail Polish is an all-in-one nail polish with an odorless formula. It does not need a gel base for a firm finish. It needs 2 minutes of curing under a UV lamp to dry completely and last long without chipping. This white nail polish is chemical-free and skin-friendly and lasts up to 7 days. The number 6 position is dominated by Cirque Colors Cream Nail Polish. Cirque Colors Cream Nail Polish in the shade Don't Forget the Canely is a high-quality ivory white cream nail polish. Its rich color turns opaque in 2 coats. This vegan nail polish is formulated with a non-toxic, smooth, and long-lasting formula. The 10-free formula does not contain any toluene, DBP, dibutyl phthalate, formaldehyde resin, camphor, xylene, ethyl tosylamide, phthalates, parabens, or fragrances. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with OPI Nail Lacquer. OPI Nail Lacquer in the shade Funny Bunny is a soft white nail polish. It is a neutral nail color that goes well with all outfits and skin tones. It offers unbeatable shine and is long-lasting and chip-resistant. If you want a sheer finish, apply a single coat. For an opaque finish, apply 2 to 3 coats. It comes with OPI's exclusive Pride brush that offers flawless application. The number 8 position is held by Orly Frenchman Nail Lacquer. Orly Frenchman Nail Lacquer in the shade White Tips is the perfect nail color for a natural look. It instantly glides on your nails and provides long-lasting wear. This durable lacquer contains UV inhibitors that prevent fading and leave a sparkling glow across your nails. It offers smooth application, vibrant color intensity, and a perfect finish. Also, it provides streak-free coverage and a natural pearl shine. Next, at number 9, we have Essie Glossy Shine Finish Nail Polish. Essie Glossy Shine Finish Nail Polish is a durable nail polish. Its marshmallow shade offers flawless coverage with a glossy finish. Its easy glide brush fits every nail size for quick, streak-free application. This lovely off-white shade is perfect for anyone who does not prefer stark white nail paint. Apply 2 to 3 coats if you want an opaque finish. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Color Club Nail Polish. Color Club White Nail Polish is high-performance nail polish. It offers long-lasting wear and smooth application. This white nail polish is formulated without using formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP chemicals. It can be removed easily and is not tested on animals. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.